shaitan beautifying the deeds, but it's something that warrants a conversation. It's a deep concept in the Qur'an. Shaitan beautifying the deeds of a person. A lot of the Qur'an talks about the psychological states of people, their states of mind, and the deterioration in the character of a person, where they get to a point where they're basically a toy for shaitan to play with. Allah Azza wa Jal here talks specifically about shaitan having the ability to beautify deeds for people. Whatever they were up to, shaitan made it beautiful to them. This, on the one hand, is people that were opposed to the prophets, alayhimus salatu wassalam. That opposition, he glorified it to them as the cause of saving the nation, saving our tribe, protecting our legacy, honoring our history. He gave it a beautiful name. It was a war against Allah's messengers, but he would give it a beautiful name in their minds. So they would think they're actually serving a noble cause. He beautified it to them. The same way, however, later on we'll learn this phrase in different contexts, where there are people who want to pursue a path of evil, but they do some good deeds. Like, not every human being, probably not any human being is 100% evil. They do some good deeds too. We're not like cartoon characters where the bad guy is always the bad guy, you know. What shaitan does though is makes you feel so proud of those few good things that you do, and beautifies them in your mind like I've accomplished a lot, that you don't feel the need to change any of your other behavior. So what societies do, what nations also did when they opposed the messengers, they would highlight some good qualities that they have. And perhaps those qualities are actually good. But that doesn't take away from the fact that they're opposing messengers, that they're opposing the truth, they're opposing revelation. وَزَيَّنَ لَهُمُ الشَّيْطَانِ مَا كَانُوا يَعْمَلُونَ. I say this because amal in Arabic generally is actually used for good deeds. Unless you qualified with a bad word like مَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِنْكُمْ سُوءًا بِجَهَالَةٍ, you add su to it. But amal by itself, is actually good deeds, is deeds that are worth something.